Hi everyone, Rory from Data Spinners here, and today I'm going to talk to you about HTML text labels. They're actually quite important, so I'm just going to dive straight in over here. So obviously you've got ordinary labels here. I've got one that I've just fired up. In fact, I'll delete that and I will do insert text label. That is a straightforward label. You can look at the properties. It's got a text property and so on. And there's also you can pop in the color. So you can change the color around, but it is quite limited because all of the text will go that color. So of course the problem that you have is that sometimes you want to do much more complex arrangements, and you also may want to put things like hyperlinks and what have you, and a straight text box just can't get that done. So what you need in that instance is you need to go to the text and then do HtmlText, and you can see here that you've got it written in HTML format. Now I'm not a particular expert in the HTML text format, so all I ever do is I just jump onto the online HTML editor and just put in the text that I need to put it in, and then take the output on this side out. Now, what I will show you is that initially it won't work, and I'll show you the little bits and pieces that you need to do to correct it. So first of all, you can see here you've got different colors, and you've also got a hyperlink to a website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to this here and I'm going to paste it in, and it won't work first off. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is you have to put your quote marks, so your double quote marks around here, and it still won't work. And what you need to do is every time you find a double quote, you need to put a single. So we'll just jump through and make those changes. Exciting, isn't it? And this is kind of tough. It's just what you've got to do. But you only have to do it once, and you can, if you're really desperate, you can put it into the likes of Notepad, and you can correct it in that way. Now I'm just going to pause this because obviously something's not quite gone right, so I need to just check what is going on there. And I did in fact miss a double quote there, so that one needs to change. Now the annoying thing about this is when you've got it right, it stays red. So that is kind of frustrating. But you can see already you've got a single object, and you've got it doing lots of things. And if you go on to the if you actually go into the play mode, you've got the icon there where you can move through to the BBC website in this instance, but you could be going anywhere really. Oh, it's probably not where we should be going. So yeah, that's really it. I think it's just really important if you want to do nice, clean text boxes that you make use of the HTML text label. So thanks for everyone.